Hello, you're welcome to today's lesson. In our previous class, we looked at how to turn one light bulb on. Today, we want to learn how to turn more than one light bulb on. We're going to be learning about the series connection and the parallel connection. Let us begin with the series connection. Recall, we said if you want to turn on one light bulb, you must have a complete circuit. It's called a closed circuit. A closed circuit look like this. Light, electric current flows from the battery to the light bulb. This is one complete circuit. Now, to have a series connection, you connect it in such a way that the current has just one path to flow in the circuit. This is one path from the battery to this light bulb to this other one and back to this place. So let's watch it carefully. So take note. See, it's on, this one is on, and this one is on. The current has just one path to flow in the circuit. If you disconnect it from this side, it's not going to turn on again. Look at it. It's now an open circuit. But if you connect it back, it will turn on again. So this connection is called series connection. A connection whereby the electric current has just one path to follow, like this. Now, moving over to this other one, this one is called a parallel connection, whereby the electric current has more than one path to follow. For example, if you press this, now the current flows from the battery through the switch to this first bulb, this way and back to the battery again. The second path is from the battery, it comes through the switch, passes this first light bulb to the second light bulb. You can see this one is also on, and back to the batteries again. Good. Now, a parallel connection, anytime you disconnect one part, the other one will still work. Let's try it. See, this one is still on. But for the series, anytime you disconnect one part, both bulbs will not work. Look at it. It's on. Why? Because the current has more than one path to follow. So let's connect it back and see. Both bulbs are on. Let's disconnect this other one. This one. Let's bypass it like this. Let's see if it will turn on. See, this one is on, while this one is not on, because the current has more than one path to follow. So that's the difference between a parallel connection and a series connection. So let's go ahead and connect it from the top. So if you have your battery source and then one of your light bulbs, so let's have a switch right here. So let's connect this one to this place, one, and then let's complete this one. And then A2. So this is one path. So since it's a parallel circuit, we get another bulb. We'll put it parallel to this one. Then we'll tap the light from this other one. So let's place this one here to raise it up. Then we'll connect it like this. So this is one path. This is another path. So we need to complete this other one like this. So this is a parallel circuit. There's one path, there's another path. So let's make series circuit right here with this one. So let's disconnect this one. If you want to make it a series circuit, you take this other switch, you place it on this part. Let's complete this one. Then let's look for a way to complete this one here. Okay, let's get this switch, this wire rather, and complete the path. Now if you take note, the current will flow from the batteries through this wire, through the switch, to the first one, to the second one, then back to this place again. So when you turn it on, both bulbs will be on. It has just one path. If you disconnect this part, what will happen? It will not turn on again, because the current has only one path to follow. That's that for this snap circuit. Let's go over to this other kit. So if you want to make a series connection, you get your battery and your wires, you connect this one to this other part, then make sure it's tight and connected to this one. Then since it's series, make sure there's a connection to this one, back to the switch, and then from the switch to your battery, and it's tight. If you close the circuit, both bulbs will be on. This is a series connection. What about parallel connection? We'll first of all make a series connection first. Okay. This is a series connection. So from it, we tap our light directly from the source. So we need more wires. Let's get them. So from here, we tap it to this one. Then from this other side, we tap it to this other part also. If you have another one, you do the same. You tap from here to the third one. So let's test it and see. See, you can see both light bulbs are on. Look at the diagram. So from the batteries to this first one, back to the batteries again. From this one to the second one, back to the batteries again. If you disconnect this one, it will not affect this other one. So you see, this is a parallel connection. That'll be all for series and parallel connections. See you next time.